Welcome to the MCP Point Guide on facilitating UPI fund transfers through the recipient's UPI number or QR code. In this easy, step-by-step walkthrough, we'll show you exactly how to help your customers send money safely, securely, and with complete confidence to their recipients by only using their UPI number or QR code, by facilitating the UPI transaction using the MissCallPay business app. Whether you're transferring through bank details, UPI number, or a QR code, our guided process ensures that you and your customers feel assured and in control at every step. Step 1. Open the Facilitate UPI Fund Transfer feature. Start by opening your MissCallPay for Business and scrolling down to the bottom of the dashboard. Here, tap on Facilitate UPI Fund Transfer. This feature lets you choose how to pay. You can pay the recipient by entering the recipient's bank details or by using their UPI ID or QR code. In this video, we are focusing on facilitating UPI fund transfers through the recipient's UPI number or QR code. So we will choose the second option, which is UPI. Step 2. Choose UPI number or QR code method. You have two convenient options for transferring funds. Scan the recipient's UPI QR code. Tap on the scan option in the app. Use your device's camera to scan the recipient's QR directly from a screen or paper. This ensures accuracy. You never have to worry about the wrong account. Or, enter the recipient's UPI phone number. Manually type the recipient's UPI-linked mobile number. Double-check with them for accuracy. If you enter an invalid number, the system will prompt you to check details before you proceed. Step 3. Enter and validate your customer's details. Enter your customer's mobile number. Important note, make sure the customer's mobile number is linked to a UPI-enabled active bank account. Tap the tick button to fetch and validate your customer's linked bank details. Then, tick the checkbox to confirm you have your customer's approval for this transaction. Simultaneously, if your customer wants to check their bank balance during the transaction, select Check and Play Balance. This feature helps your customer check their balance in real time. Step 4. Review all transaction details. Carefully check every field on the screen. Recipient's name. Payment amount, debiting account information. Step 5. Initiate the UPI-Over-Voice transaction. Tap on Initiate UPI-Over-Voice to launch MissCallPay's ultra-secure UPI-Over-Voice transaction. Your customer will receive an instant call from +91 80690 79999. This is MissCallPay's official number to make the transaction securely and seamlessly. On the secure call, your customer will hear simple voice instructions. They will confirm the receiver's name and transaction amount with the IVR. After confirmation, they'll enter their UPI PIN securely using their phone keypad. Never spoken aloud, never visible to anyone, not even you. Step 6. You monitor the transaction in real time. As the MCP Point agent, you get to watch this entire ultra-secure UPI-Over-Voice transaction live on your screen. This transparent monitoring ensures you can assist your customer if needed at any given step. Please note that in this whole monitoring process, you, as a Bank Mitra or UPI fund transfer facilitator, will never see the customer's UPI PIN. Only your customer knows what PIN they have entered, making MissCallPay's UPI-Over-Voice transaction ultra-secure and seamless. Step 7. Receive transaction confirmation. Within moments, you will receive a confirmation on your app that the transfer was successful. Your customer will receive a confirmation on the IVR in real time, ensuring both you and your customer know that the transfer was successful. If you face any issues, tap the Help or Support button in the app. You can also contact MCP Point support through the provided phone and WhatsApp numbers. Our committed support team is ready to assist you every step of the way. Thank you for trusting MCP Point. With your support, millions of Indians can enjoy seamless, assisted UPI payments, helping build a safe and inclusive digital economy. Together, let's empower India's next billion UPI users with MissCallPay.